And we're back, guys. So for today's video I'm gonna show you how we're gonna save some money, because instead of replacing my light, we gonna repair it. So let me show you what am I talking about. And by the way, I have my trusty helper right here. Yep, that is gonna help us to fix my daytime running light that right now it looks like there is like a bullet hole. You guys see that? So yeah, this little guy, and you guys can see there's moisture inside, and yeah, the light is still working, but I don't know for how long. If I don't fix it, yeah, that's definitely not a good thing. So instead of spending the 150 bucks, I think I looked at it online, and you're getting the entire assembly, which is totally fine, but my light is technically working. So why should I buy a brand new light when only the glass is broken? I mean, this is not even the glass. I mean, I don't know how you call it, like the plastic thing, you know, on the light. So this is gonna be the task for today. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna see how we're gonna separate this front piece from the back piece. I believe it's glued to the silicone, so we will see about that. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so first thing we need to do is pop the light. To be able to do that, we're gonna got this tool right here, put it right here in the corner and slowly pry it out. Okay, now the connection in the back. We need to pull this white cap out, push in the back, and then pull. And we're free. So after removing the light, this is what we have here, the entire housing. So right here in the back we have these tabs right here, this guy and this guy, and then this guy and this guy right there. So we should be able just to squeeze it and separate the light. To make my life easier, I'm gonna grab the heat gun. First I need to find it. So each tab has like a small tab in the back, right in there. So we need to heat it up. That's gonna help us to squeeze the tab closer. Okay, so this is the light. So now we need to figure out a way to separate the light. And I'm thinking, hit up the corners all the way around, and then with a knife go all the way around, and we should be able to separate this from the housing. Let's do it. Just be careful, guys, not to cut yourself. Okay, what can I say? This is not the cleanest cut that I would love to get, but it is better than 150 bucks. In my opinion. Now we need to remove all the water out of the light. Okay, it's clean. We got it all cleaned up. Now we need to get a little bit of blue tape. Check this out. So we have it from the inside. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell. There you go. I got it pushed firmly, just enough so I can create a flat surface. So check this out. This is where the hole is, right there. So now I have a flat surface in the back. Now we're gonna fill up the hole with silicone. Okay guys, so now we're gonna fill the hole with silicone. We have the silicone, you guys can see sticking out a little bit. So I'm gonna get just like that. Okay, so you guys can see right in there. Now it's all flat. So you just get a cardboard or something, you know, have this, I don't know, it's a warranty card or whatever. I just went on the top and then just whoop, and I got it removed. I got it flat. You guys wanted to get it flat, just like that. So now we're gonna wait for 24 hours. Let it dry and then we're gonna come back. I'll see you guys in 24 hours.
24 hours later.
Okay guys, well, it is day 2. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah. Just take your time when you guys separating, you know, the front lens. We've got it glued. Now it's all dry. It's all good. So now I'm gonna remove the blue tape so I can show you guys the result. Might need a little bit of a heat. Just take your time, no rush. Still kind of smells like silicone, but it is way better. Here is the repair, and my helper is playing with my car. So honestly, thinking it would be more clear than that. But in the same time, if you guys see the lens, it's not that clear at all. Yeah, so I'm thinking should be totally fine. Okay, so when it's on, I don't know if you guys gonna be able to see that, but it's perfectly clear. So let me see. You guys, can you see that? Can you tell where is it? Yeah, it's right there. When the light hits the silicone, it's not bad. I think it's pretty good. Okay, so now we need to silicone this piece to the actual LEDs. So I'm thinking to use the same silicone, the clear silicone, and why not? I could use the black silicone. I don't know if it's dry already. Could use this guy, but I don't see the reason. Okay, so first thing, gloves, because it's gonna be messy. Second thing is the light itself. Let's remove every single piece that is loose or it's about to fall out. Just clean the corners all the way around as much as you guys can. Okay, everything's clean. Now I have these little quick grips where we're gonna squeeze the light together. Now we're gonna put silicone all the way around. Okay, I did put a little bit too much, but we'll clean it. So there you go, guys. You guys can see. Even right there. And all the way around. So now, just slowly. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna leave it to dry again overnight. I'm not gonna remove all of the excess silicone. As you can see, there is a lot of silicone coming out from the sides all the way around, because when it dries, it's gonna be a lot more easier to clean. Basically, when it dries out, I'm gonna get a razor blade and I'm gonna cut the silicone all the way around, and that will happen tomorrow. And again, that will be in day 3. So I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place, in 3, 2, 1. And it's day 3, guys. Everything now is nice and dry all the way around, and I have my trusty helper over here. You're gonna take out the clamps. There we go. Number 2. There we go. Okay, so let me show you guys. It's nice and sturdy. So now we're gonna get a razor blade and we're gonna go all the way around and remove all of the excess silicone that we don't really need. Take your time, guys. No hurry. Just make sure you don't go, between the light, so you can ruin the seal basically. So just go all the way around slowly but surely. Just take your time. And my trusty helper is helping me. You guys can see right there. Okay, guys, I think I got it clean enough. So let me show you. It is clean-ish. And then right here is where we got it glued. Let's pop the light again. So we got the trim. Now, I believe it is like that. There you go. These two guys right there, clip them. Then this guy and this guy, and there you have it. So now let's put it on and let's turn it on and see how it works. Okay, guys. So we have the light. Let's plug it in right there. Now we need to push this tab right there. Perfect. Now we just need to put the light, and that's it. Let's turn those lights on. Well, you can see it is same. Can't even tell where the repair was. At least that's what I'm thinking. I don't know, let's see. I don't know what you guys think, but I think this is a job done. You can barely notice it. I mean, I can notice it. You guys can see this side. It's all good. Well, I think this is a success, and my son is going crazy. He wants to play. So I'm gonna leave you guys, and you guys like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to smash the like button, and don't forget, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I'll see you in the next one.